Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you don't know, my name is Brandon. I appreciate you all watching today. Today we're going to be making something that is really simple and quick for the kids. We're going to be making ravioli lasagna or a ravioli bake, however you want to call it. Essentially all we're going to be using, I have a bag of cheese ravioli here, some ragu sauce. I like the chunky garden combination style. You can use whatever kind of sauce you like. Totally up to you. I have some ricotta cheese, some Italian style cheese blend. You can use mozzarella, whatever you like. We have some grated parm, and then I'm going to use a little bit of regular spices like onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of pepper. Outside of that, it's really simple. It's kind of like a dump dish. Put it together, throw it in the oven, and you'll be ready to eat in about 45 minutes or so. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, this is really simple. First thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put our ricotta cheese in a bowl. This is a 15-ounce container. And then what we're going to do, we're going to actually fill up that same container with our sauce. And we're going to combine these before we add it to our lasagna. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups of sauce to 1 container of the ricotta. We're going to season it with some salt, with some pepper and some granulated onion and garlic. Not using much salt because we're going to have salt from our ricotta and salt from our Parmesan cheese. So I'm not going to fool with putting too much salt in here or any salt at all. If they want salt, they can add it after the fact. Also going to put in a little bit of basil. Now, if you want to add salt to yours, you can. You can actually taste the mixture and see if you want to add salt or whatnot. But again, just trying to do a little bit better with salt content and intake. So all you want to do now is just mix that really thoroughly. All right, and that's kind of what you're going to get. So let's go ahead and get this assembled. It's really quick. It's not going to take very long at all. So you guys back here in just a moment. All right. So let's get it assembled. First thing we're going to do is we're just going to put a small little thin layer down at the bottom of the pan. This Pyrex that I'm using is a 8.5 by 11 dish. Let's put our ravioli in. Okay, once you get your first layer down, we're just going to add in a little more of our regular sauce. Just to add a little extra tang. We're going to put down some of our grated parm. And then we're going to come in with our Italian blend. Going to add some nice little layers here, and then once you're done with that, we're going to go in with another layer of our ricotta and sauce mixture and just repeat the process. So let me go ahead and continue on with this, and then when we got it together, we'll bring you guys back. See you in just a minute. All right, finish putting the last little layer of cheese on top. We're also going to cover this loosely with foil, and it's going to go in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. We're going to cook it for about 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes covered, and then we're going to uncover it and let this cheese brown up a little bit at the end. There it is. Layered up real nice. All right, guys, just pulled it out the oven. Looks amazing, smells awesome. See, it's still nice and bubbly. So I actually wound up going about an hour total cook to get her done. So I'm gonna let it cool and set up a little bit, throw some garlic bread in the oven for them, and then I'll bust it open and let you see how it looks. See you back in a minute. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes. Go ahead and bust it open and let you see how it's looking. Yes, sir. So again, super easy, convenient, quick. Little cheese pull going. A piece of garlic bread. And that's going to be their dinner for the night. Can't beat it out. Ravioli lasagna. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Till the next time, God bless you.